to match. Now you're a swipe and a click closer to everything you need for your next project. Explore the most popular colors and trending patterns. Project Color app, then shop our best colors.
Bill Gowdy checking in. Got a lot to do today. I'm going to run some errands. I got some scrap metal to take back. Got some laundry to do. Got some stuff to do to the post office. No rest. There is no rest. Come along. Join me. Hey, look at this. Can you see that? That corn is supposed to be knee high by the 4th of July, and it's just now. It's after the 4th of July. Yeah, that's how sad. Look at this. Look at those fields. They are so far behind compared to other years. I guess that's what living in the country is all about. For shreddables, they're paying 60 cents a pound right now. That isn't very good, actually. In the wintertime, they pay a lot more. They're really, you can see they're really, really busy. So they got a lot of metal coming in. But I suppose, you know, it's that time of year. Everybody's cleaning up. Everybody's recycling. But hey, got 24 bucks and a bunch of crap out of my way. Well, that worked out good. Got $24 for the metal recycling. It cost me $23.90 for shipping. You just can't win. You sure can. All right, the adventure continues. It's time for my camera hog to get up here. Yeah, my Lucy Lou. She likes to be in front of the camera. Actually, I think she thinks I'm talking to her, And the other thing is that I think she thinks as soon as the lap is available, it's hers. You know, she just likes that. She thinks she's a lap dog. She always has kisses for me. All right, it's hot. 90 degrees in the shade. And the flies are bad. Yeah, not mosquitoes, but flies. Are you going to get them? Go get them. Get them. Not too long ago, within the last month, I was traveling in the camper, and I stopped at Nashville. I went to the Pepper Palace. Pepper Palace sauce, sweet but sinister. I'm gonna cook me some beef ribs tonight, and I'm going to use this sweet and sinister sauce, and it does have 11 grams in 1 ounce, so I don't know. I'm just going to coat the ribs, so I know what's an ounce. I'm going to get 11 grams of carbs, but otherwise it doesn't have anything else in it. But it has vinegar, water, red habanero, peppers, salt, garlic, and xanthan gum. And you can see the garlic in there. Look at that. So I'm anxious to give this a try. But you know, I've worked up a thirst. Let's have a beverage. Let's have a vessel of amber goodness. Let me get my glass from the freezer. Thank you, Mark. Crawdaddy Forge, who made this neck knife for me. Bottle opener, striker, multi-use tool. It really is. Anheuser-Busch makes this product, and I think it was Mark LeBlanc said he went to his regular supplier out east, I think, somewhere. It might be New York. I can't. Don't hold me to that, but somewhere he has to drive to get bottles. Says that they're not making bottles anymore. But I talked to my guy, and he says I haven't heard that. So, hey, I'm near St. Louis. Found these in Babbler State Park. $11.95 for 18 beers. I pay $14.95 for them in my area, which is about 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours from St. Louis, north of St. Louis. Anyway, Mark's link will be down below. I'm still getting glass bottles, and I hope you are too. But I know they're spotty. Wild West Gowdy gave me this frosted glass. Actually gave me the glass, I frosted it. Oh, look at the goodness. Will you just look at that? A generous pour. Oh, look at that. You know, I notice you don't get near the foam from a pour from a glass bottle that you get from a can. That is for sure. It's been a long day. And I'm working on Wild West Gowdy's boat. Yeah, he had a problem with his radio, so we're putting a marine radio in and new speakers. Well, guess what? The new speakers are bigger than the old speakers, so I had to cut those out. Yeah. Oh, it's never ending. Well, then the conservation checked him out the other day and gave him a warning that his batteries, hey, I built that boat. Those batteries were substantial built in there, and they don't float and they don't come out, and you can inspect them, but they are fastened in. Well, he was worried that they would float and that there wasn't a protector, some kind of protector over that. Well, to eliminate all that, I went and got battery boxes. I'm going to put them in a battery box and strap them in and there should be no question. I tell you, conservation officer would have been there when I was building that. He would understand how that was built. It was like a car. I mean, those were bolted in. Anyway, I'm not going to argue. I'm just going to put, hey, I got battery boxes at Wally World for 864 for a battery box. Takes 2 of them. Hey, it's cheap. And he didn't get a ticket. He just got a warning. You know, I think he could see that they were fastened in there and they were probably looking for something. Who knows? But let's be safe. You want in? Tossed salad. That's not my blue cheese. No, I'm out of blue cheese. But I had some French. Nope, that's not French. That is Thousand Island. 3 grams of carbs in that. Look at that. Oh, look at the goodness. A quality vessel of amber fluid. I'm waiting for my asparagus. Let's get to eating, shall we? Thank you, Deep in the Woods 73. Link for him will be down below. He sent me that knife. Let's try some of the asparagus. Smoky flavor. Garlic. It's got I put them in olive oil and a little garlic powder and grill them. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh. That is a bone-in beef rib. This is a boneless beef rib. Wow. That is good. Wow. Sweet and sinister. It is. It's got a slow burn to it. It is good. I like that. I really like that. Wow, that is good. Now on my salad, I got the Thousand Island dressing with some smoked cheese, peppers. You know what? I forgot onion. I don't have any onion in here. Wow, that's good too. like usual, I'm running out of daylight. The days just are not long enough. Thank you for watching. Bill Gowdy out for now.